Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use floating window in Oppo F19 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. A floating window is a feature that allows certain apps to float anywhere on your home screen, so you can easily check updates, messages, and even reply to messages while you are doing another thing. Let's see how to enable a floating window on your phone. To begin, open the recent apps on your device. Then tap the two dots on the top right corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, tap on Floating Window. The app will then shrink to a small window, and you will be able to place it anywhere in the screen. You can use any other app behind the floating window. This is a very good technique to use multiple apps in your device. You can move the floating window anywhere to use the other app easily. Tap on cross to close the floating window. So these are all the things you need to know about using floating window in Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.